I want you to do something real quick. Pull out your phone, open your banking app, and look at your recurring charges. Go ahead, I'll wait. Now be honest, did you recognize every single one? Because when I did this myself, I found a subscription I hadn't used in 14 months. Today I'm letting AI go through every recurring charge I have, and by the end of this video, you're going to do the same thing to yours. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finance Mentor. If this is your first time here, my name is John and I make videos on using AI to actually fix your money situation instead of just talking about it in theory. Last video, I showed you how I can build a full budget out of your spending data in under a minute. Today I'm going one layer deeper, subscriptions specifically. Because here's the thing, subscriptions are designed to be forgotten. Nobody sits down once a month and reviews their recurring charges. They just renew, quietly, forever. The average person is paying for more subscriptions than they think they have, often by double. I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI to find every single one of mine, including the embarrassing ones, and I'll give you the exact prompt to do this yourself in about 5 minutes. Stick around, because the number I found genuinely surprised me. Let's get into it. So why does this happen to basically everybody, even people who consider themselves financially responsible? It's not carelessness, it's design. Subscription businesses are built around a specific psychological trick. The sign-up moment is exciting and visible. You get an email, a welcome screen, maybe a free trial. But cancellation is buried 3 menus deep, or requires a phone call, or conveniently only works on weekdays during business hours. The friction is intentional. Add to that the sheer number of things now sold as subscriptions. Streaming, obviously, but also apps, cloud storage, meal kits, software you tried once for a project, a gym you haven't been to since February, and, this one gets almost everyone, duplicate services. 2 different streaming platforms with overlapping shows. A photo storage app you're paying for and a phone plan that already includes storage. Individually, each one feels small. $9 here, $12 there. That's exactly the problem. Small numbers don't trigger alarm. Nobody panics over $12. But run the math over a year, and small numbers turn into real money. That's the gap AI is genuinely good at closing, because it doesn't get bored scanning through 6 months of transactions the way you or I would. Alright, let's actually do this. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Export your last 3 to 6 months of transactions from your banking app. I saved it as a PDF document, but you can download it as a CSV file or any way you want to. 3 months minimum. A lot of subscriptions bill quarterly or annually, so a single month won't catch everything. Step 2. Paste that data into an AI chatbot. I'm using the same free tools as last time. ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini all work with this exact prompt. Review this transaction list and identify every recurring charge, subscription, or membership. Group them by category, flag any that appear to be duplicates or overlapping services, and estimate the total annual cost of everything combined. I'm pasting in 6 months of my own transactions here. Okay, look at this output. It automatically grouped everything into categories. And right here, it flagged that I'm paying for different subscription services with overlapping features. I genuinely forgot I signed up for the second one during a free trial 8 months ago. And here's the number that got me. Total estimated annual subscription costs, almost $700 a year. I would have guessed maybe half that if you'd asked me cold. Step 3, and this is important, don't just cancel everything blindly. Go through the list and ask yourself honestly, am I actually using this? For some of these, the answer is yes, keep it, no guilt. For others, the answer is a hard no. This isn't about deprivation, it's about paying only for what you actually use. Now, finding the number is the easy part. Actually canceling things and making sure they don't creep back is where most people fall off. So here's how to make this stick. First, don't try to cancel everything in one sitting. It's tedious and you'll burn out halfway through. Pick your 3 biggest or most obvious ones first, cancel those today, and do the rest over the next week. Second, for the ones that are genuinely annoying to cancel, buried menus, required phone calls, apps like Rocket Money will actually handle the cancellation call for you. I mentioned this one in my last video too. It's built almost specifically for this exact problem. Third, and this is the step everyone skips, set a recurring reminder, every 3 months, to run this exact same AI prompt again. Subscriptions creep back, new free trials turn into charges. A quarterly 5-minute check is enough to keep the number from quietly climbing back up. This works, and not just for me. One of my colleagues ran this exact prompt and found she was paying for a meditation app she'd used exactly twice, a second music streaming service her partner had signed up for on a shared card, and a design tool subscription left over from a freelance project that ended a year earlier. Total, just under $70 a month, gone, the moment she noticed. That's over $800 a year, from a 5-minute prompt. I want to be straight with you though, AI's list is a starting point, not gospel. Double-check anything it flags before you cancel, especially anything tied to a service you're not sure about. And obviously, be thoughtful about what financial data you paste into any tool. So here's the recap. Subscriptions are built to be forgotten, small charges hide big yearly totals, and AI can scan months of transactions in the time it takes you to make coffee. Your action step this week, and I mean this week, not someday, export 3 months of transactions and run that exact prompt. I'll put it on screen right now and it's also in the description along with everything else from today's video. Let me know in the comments, what's the most surprising subscription you found? I want to hear the weird ones. I read every comment. If this saved you money, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, where we're going even deeper into what AI can actually do with your full financial picture. Thanks for watching. See you next time.